Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of sorts. Calvin wanted me to test out a new reel he bought, so let's get right to it. And before you guys say anything, yes, I am in my bedroom. This is a Daiwa Crossfire 3003BI, and let's open it. Ooh, this looks like a pretty nice reel. Let's see what it's got in here. Just the basic assembly, all the basic instructions, and for some reason it's a Shakespeare Durango. This is kind of funny coming out of a Daiwa box. Who knows, maybe Calvin put it in there, but let's see this reel. I'm curious as to how smooth it is. Ooh, that's something new to me. There we go. Locked in place. Anti-reverse. Yep. Okay, so looks and feels like a pretty good reel. Calvin paid a pretty penny for it, so I'm probably gonna end up making a review on this reel. So I'll catch you guys next time after I test it out.